Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear showing you this day cab box. These go behind the cab of the trucks below the window. Give you some storage you can get at from the ground, and they're angled so they look really cool. The top lid is flush with the rest of the box. Customers spec out their own size, and we build it to that with whatever finish they're after. We also have mounting angles underneath that are welded to the box solid to support it, and then there's some angles that we ship with it so you can pinch it to your frame for easy installation. And on this one, customers got all stainless steel doors. It's completely wrapped in stainless, and then we've got lights on the inside, and then it's got drawers as well. 250-pound slides. In the center here, he's got this center compartment standalone, walled off on each side, and it's got a light on the inside as well. And then he's got a drawer on the other side also. All 1/8 aluminum, finished in stainless steel 304 non-directional, 14 gauge. Nice and heavy duty. Looks good on the truck. More products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.